AJ's matchless with all ones available, and he really wanted a speed twin and something that girder forks, BSA's that girder forks, everything did. So Devon money was burning a hole in his pocket, so I went to King's at Stretford, ordered the bike, and then there was a telegram here dated the 27th of June 48, Vickers, 20 Brothers.
They are fabulous cameras, a little stocky bugger and a taller one. Not up to it because it's in the wrong bloody class. You've got some really big stuff in it, you see, and of course we had to agree. Well, it's only
taking part.
Well, absolutely. Well, I'm very British with that outlook. Yes,
yeah, you've got to be, haven't you? You be there,
you always get the lads who'll go like the clappers, don't you? Yeah.
Oh, you just keep trying.
Oh, yeah, enjoy. I got to know somebody else.
It's definitely an ugly bastard, there's no denying.
Embarrassed. You know, he said I feel embarrassed, you know.
Look weird.
Oh, yeah.
Now this guy obviously knows that his bike's going to start because he's already sat on it. Yeah. Got his gear on and he's sat on it, so it's obviously going to start real now.
He's got one of these new ignition systems.
He might do, here we go. Here we go. That is a treat of a machine.
But this one is the one. Which is like yeah, that's I know. That's it. I knew he had it knocked out, because we're converting it. Yeah, I know. That's it. That's it. Yeah, yeah. It is. That's it. It's 600 and one hour just now. But they changed the rules.
A gentleman I've not seen for many, many years, John Upwardine. Nice to see you, John. Tell us something about your area, if you will, please.
Well, I've had it for about... sort of complain about it. They got a bad reputation, but I think it's when they were badly maintained or not looked after. This bike is as original as an area as I've seen. I think it's the only thing that I know that it's not right in it is that it was sort of taillight isn't the...
Have a look at this a little bit over here.
So normally they come up and stop like that.